Hi, my name is Mathias Lee, and I will be reading my Mad Libs poem today. I dreamed that I was in the 18th century, around the time of the American Revolution. I didn't recognize myself when I looked in the mirror. Thigh, I exclaimed in surprise. I had long white curly hair that looked like a seagull was sitting on my head. I wore a long red coat and was surprised to find a durian in my pocket. I turned around and saw that Grace and my sister were also with me. "Aw, man," I said to Grace, who replied by saying, "League of Legends is about to start outside. Will you be playing?" I agreed, and we surfing outside to play League of Legends. After around 296 minutes, the sky began to turn yellow. It started raining carbonated milk, so we all picked up a shipping container and caught it. When we went back inside, there was a big old table and everyone sang the Itsy Bitsy Spider while we drank carbonated milk. Thank you for your time.